Hi class, welcome to World History Part 2. I'm Kay Nail and I'll be your instructor this semester. I wanted to take a few minutes of your time and briefly go over the course and give you some tips and suggestions on how to be a successful student in this class. Now when you log into the course in Canvas, you'll come to this home page and it just has some general links and information that will help you get started. I would like to point out it does have my course contact information for me. Please, students, send me a Canvas inbox message if you need to communicate with me to start the ball rolling. Canvas has an inbox that is located in a static column on the far left hand of your home page. And this inbox will take you to your classes, any class that you have at Bevel. Select this class and send me an inbox message. And I will respond to you within 24 to 48 hours. It might take a little bit longer during the weekends. So take a moment when you log into the class and just skim through the home page. You'll also notice a to-do list on the right-hand side of your home page. And it's going to populate with different assignments over time. It will give you an idea of what you have coming up that will need to be completed in this course. But that is not the only place that you can find due dates for your assignments. First of all, you can go to the course calendar and you'll be able to find due dates for the assignments. And then I'll tell you some other places you can find due dates for assignments as well. The first place that I'd like you to go when you log into the class is let's go to the syllabus. Underneath the course syllabus, you'll have a little message from me, and I want to go over what you can find here. You can find a welcome message, which I would suggest that you take a minute to read through. It just gives you, again, another overview of the course. The syllabus is located underneath the syllabus link. Class, I cannot stress how important the syllabus is to you and your success as a student. So in a moment, I'm going to go over a video with you of nothing but the syllabus. But for right now, I just want to give you an overview of the class. So syllabus is important. Also, semester at a glance will give you due dates and the entire course on one page. You can also take a look at the statewide course objective syllabus. And then underneath the syllabus link, you'll have the course summary. And the course summary, again, is just that. It's going to give you a list of all of the assignments and their due dates for this semester. Modules class is where you will go to begin work in the course. But before you can begin to work, you do need, again, to look at the home page, read the syllabus. Then you'll be ready to get started in modules. I'm going to briefly go through what you can find in the modules, and then again, I'll give you more details on the syllabus intro. Getting started. Again, another welcome message, instructor bio, some course technology links. If you're having computer problems, select this before you communicate with me. And then for this course, students, we're using Macmillan textbook. And you will need to register as a student, and I've provided links and a help link to Macmillan to make that happen. And again, more details in the syllabus. I have a module for student resources. Students, I want you to read your weekly study guide before you get started. I'm just going to select it and just kind of give you a glance at it. This is going to give you a glance of what you're going to need to do each week to earn points and to work your way through the course material. So I think you'll need to look at that a few times before you'll remember it after you do the first few modules. But start out with the weekly study guide. Grammar guide, that will help you with some grammar tips and suggestions. I'm providing a sample of what I call reflections. You will do some writing assignments in this course. They're called reflections, and here's a sample, just to give you an eyeball view of what those should look like. And students, everyone will be required to submit a student agreement. Just take a minute to look at that. It's just letting me know that you've read through all of the assignments, and you know what this course is all about. For just a moment, let's look at Chapter 18 module. This is your first module, and I want to just kind of familiarize yourself, if you will, with what is located in these modules. You're going to have a list of learning objectives and an outline to the chapter. You will either have a textbook or you will use the ebook, and I've got a lot of details for you on that on the syllabus. I certainly do recommend the ebook. It's an economical option for students, and you can pull it up in this class. But at any rate, each student is responsible for chapter reading, and I've given you the learning objectives and the outlines to do that. An introduction to the chapter. Flashcards are going to be very helpful to you in mastering key terms for the course. I'm also providing images of maps. I've provided the chapter PowerPoint presentation if you want to use that to guide your reading. And then each week I'm always going to pull in a video or a news article or something to enrich or bridge what you're learning in the chapter with some social media or some other form of learning. Your graded assignments for each chapter are located in the modules. So for Chapter 18, you have a map quiz to complete. Students, these are open book, and I've provided you the images here, or you can look in your book or your ebook. It's open book. You will have a learning curve to complete, and that's sort of a gaming type quality assignment, and you can read about that in the syllabus, but I don't think you'll have any problems with that. The summative quiz is just a summarization of what you've learned in the chapter. And by mastering the key term flashcards right here, this will prepare you to take the summative quiz. And finally, some weeks, students, you will complete a reflection writing assignment, or you will complete a discussion. You do not have writing assignments due every single week. Again, you can take a look at the syllabus, the semester at a glance, and kind of look and see when your assignments are going to be due. So let's take a minute, and as a student, you need to familiarize yourself with what is located in the modules. Again, getting started, student resources, and then each chapter has a module with resources to help you learn the material, and then assignments to allow you to earn points. The semester is open up to the midterm. I have all of the chapter modules open up to the midterm exam. And then after the midterm exam opens and closes, then I will open the second half of the course. But for right now, you just get started in Chapter 18, and I'm going to take a few minutes and we'll take a look at the syllabus together. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'm here to help you. I would like to note as well that you will be having instructor lectures under most chapters, not every single chapter, but I will pull in some lectures for you to help you learn the material as well. So we're going to work together to help you have a successful online experience in World History Part 2. Check back for just under the syllabus for the syllabus intro.